For 4.2, we're going to look at how to write a slope-intercept equation. This time, though, we're not going to be given the slope and the intercept. We're going to have to find it. So in this case, it says write an equation of the line that passes through the point 2, 1 with a slope of 3. So we're given a point and a slope. Remember, for slope-intercept, we want the slope and y-intercept. However, in this case, we don't have our y-intercept. We do have our slope of 3, but we're given a slope and a point. So one way to do this would be to find our intercept through graphing. We could go and start at our point of 2, 1. Start at 2, 1, and then apply our slope of 3, which is going up 3 over 1. You'll notice, however, we're getting farther away from our y-intercept. We're trying to find our y-intercept. So we could also go down. We could go backwards by going, instead of forward 1 and up 3, we go back 1 and down 3. And as we do that, eventually we will hit the y-intercept, and you'll see that it crosses at y equals -5. However, it does take a lot of time, and there is a little quicker way using some algebra. And to do this, it's actually going to be a 4-step process. The first thing is, again, we're starting with our y equals mx plus b. First step would be to plug the slope into that equation for m. Second step is to plug in your coordinates you're given, in this case 2 and 1. Thirdly, you're going to have to actually solve for your y-intercept, your b term. And once you have solved for b, then you already have your slope. You can write the equation, step 4. So let's look at how that works. So again, I'll start with my general equation of y equals mx plus b. I'll first plug in my slope. Again, my slope is 3 right there. So I'll have y is equal to 3x plus b. Step 1 done. Step 2 is to plug in my coordinates. So my coordinates here are my x comma y. And so my x term is 2 and my y term is 1. So plugging it in, I'll have 1 for y is equal to 3 times 2 plus b. Step 2 is done. You'll notice now I only have one unknown. I'm just trying to figure out b. And so if I simplify this equation, I have 1 is equal to 3 times 2, or 6, plus b. To solve for b, I get it alone. So I have a 6 plus b, a positive 6, so I can subtract 6 from both sides. 1 minus 6 is -5. 6 minus 6 is 0, so I'm left with just b. So once I've solved for my b, I'm good here. I have my y-intercept of -5, and so now I can write my equation just like we did in the last section. So I'll have y is equal to my slope, which is still 3x, plus my b term, my y-intercept, which is -5. So I'll have 3x minus